Welcome back guys. As you may be able to tell by the title, today is Makeup Explained and we will be looking at contour. And as always, makeup can really be a jungle to wrap your head around. So we will be looking at a lot of different types of makeup, what they are, what they do, what types exists, and if you need it, and then if you need it, when should you use it. And as I said before, today we will be looking at contour. So what is it and what does it do? Contour is actually a technique you use to sculpt your face. So there's a lot of different places you can contour, not only the face, but we will get into that just in a bit. You use light and dark colors that are lighter and darker than your skin tone to make dimension in your face, so you can actually make your face look like something completely else than it is by creating these shadows and places of light on the skin. So what type of contour exists? We do have a few types of techniques to use when we're speaking about contour, but we also do have a few types of products. So you can get it as a stick, a liquid, a cream, or a powder to help you create the effect that you want. And for the techniques you can use, there are also quite a few. Actually, there was more than the ones I will be telling you about here, but these are the most usual. You can pretty much contour anywhere, and as long as you do it light and dark colors, you got everything going for you. So I will just take the different techniques here and I will show you some before and after pictures, either of me or something I found on the internet, because some of these I couldn't really make myself. I'm not as good as some other people might be. So if it's easier for me, I'll just put up some pictures of someone else. But elsewise, it will be my face. You will be able to see the difference on it. So the first one is the classic contour, when you do this type of contour after what type of face shape you have. So there are a few different ways to actually do this, but normally you would make your face seem more symmetrical. That's the ideal with this type of contour. And I'll just put a picture up, as I said, so you can actually see the difference between my before and after for this type of contour. Then the next one is a henna contour. This one I'm not really able to do because I don't have the materials at home to do it. You don't actually use the things you use for a henna tattoo for this one, but you do draw these beautiful drawings that they use for the henna tattoos on your skin or on your face, and then blend it all out to make yourself look flawless and perfect. That's the idea. But again, it's not the real tattoo, henna tattoo things you use. It's just still normal powder or normal cream or liquid. Okay, so the next one is a fun type of contour that actually started as a trend, and it is the clown contour. And it's really funny all the way through doing this. So I will show you before, under and after pictures with this one. But you basically make yourself look like a clown. And there's a few different ways of doing this. It's pretty much your imagination that sets the limits here. But you clown yourself out and then blend it all out to make your skin look flawless. That is all. Then there is a lip contour, and this is usually used to make your lips look fuller, bigger, more beautiful, and it's used a lot instead of, for example, lip injections. When you want your lips to look fuller, you can just fake it with some contour, and I will also put some pictures of that up so you can see what the difference might actually be before and after. Then we got the breast or décolletage contour, and this one isn't as normal, but often used mostly in cosplays, I think, where you simply make your breasts look bigger and your décolletage look flawless and beautiful and inviting, so you define your collarbones. And again, you use the light shadows to create some volume, some dimension on you. Again, I will put some pictures up before and after here so you can see the difference. It's almost magic what this type of contour can do. Second to last is the app contour. And this one is pretty well used, mostly for pictures. Not many actually use this type normally in the daily life. It is mostly used when you need to look good for something. So again, you use the colors, dark and light, to make it look like you have abs. So a 6-pack or 8-pack or whatever they want it. That is what you do. I will see if I can put a picture up here. Of course, it doesn't work on everyone. You can't do it if you are super overweight, then it might be a bit hard to make this work. But some people use it, especially, as I said, for pictures, just to make that extra difference. If you're showing your stomach anyways, why not make it look just a bit more beautiful? And the last one is a relatively new type of contour, that is feet contour. And not many do this, you might not have heard of it, but some people contour their feet so they look better in sandals. And I'm still not sure if I'm actually going to show you a picture of this. I might not. But if I do, here you go. You're welcome. I don't think you needed this, but you'll get it anyways. So, do you need contour and when should you use it? So, no one really needs any type of makeup pretty much. So, no, you don't need to do this. And also, contour is on the heavier side of makeup. You do have to put on quite some to make it look good. So if you already use a lot of makeup in your daily life, it might fit in really well with your routine to make your face look more defined. But otherwise, I wouldn't say you really need it in your daily life, but it can be good for things like events, filming, photo shoots, when you want to take some pictures, especially, as I said before, with the abs, the décolletage. It's not used as much in the daily wear, but it is especially good for these things where it's okay to have extra makeup and extra layers so no one really notices if it's real or if it's fake on a picture anyways. So that's the places, the times I say it would be a good, or at least an okay idea to use, though I would not say it's necessary at all to use it in your daily life. It is more if I want to and not a need to. So that's all I had for today for contour. And if you want anything else explained, you can just tell me in the comments down below and I will get to it. If you like this video, you should give it a thumbs up. You can choose to subscribe to stay for future videos or ring the bell to get notified whenever I upload. So I just hope you all have a happy life, one day at a time.